Welcome to mySchneider Focus on Quote Request. Please note the experience may differ slightly by country. On your overview page, initiate a quote by clicking Begin Quote or clicking Quotes in the menu, then Create New Quote. Fill in required information, including quote name, contact name, and email address. Project type, site address, and end user. Note the informative messages. Add specific notes or requests. Let's add products. Start typing in a product reference and choose from the suggestions and adjust the product quantity. Add new lines. Use the product selector to search for a product. Or import a list of products from a .csv file. All the products you selected now appear. Click Save and Price to view product prices. Your quote is saved, and you can find it later in your draft quote list. Ready to proceed? Click Submit Quote Request. A confirmation message appears. Receive a confirmation message once your quote request has been approved with a link to the quote details. Thank you. Watch the other videos on quote details, quote to order, and more.